Hello everyone, magandang araw. So ako si Larica R. Panustan, ang president ng Health Cooperative. So as a leader, I'm excited na share sa inyo kung bakit namin ito ginawa. We all know in our barangay na marami ang nahihirapan sa health concern, like mataas na gamot o walang madaling access sa basic check-up, katulad na lamang sa nangyaring sakuna nung nakaraang bagyo. Dahil sa sunod-sunod na bagyo at pagtaas ng baha, marami ang nagkasakit, nahihirapan sa paggagamot dahil sa malayo ang ospital o klinik dito sa atin. So, meron namang maliit na pampublikong klinik, ngunit kulang ito at hindi sapat ang isang maliit na klinik upang maglingkod dito sa atin sa Tansa. Kung kaya't nagtatag kami ng Tansa Health Cooperative to make healthcare at mas accessible at mas mura para sa lahat. Hindi ba parang dream come true? So now let's move on our logo. So it shows na focus kami sa health ng community natin. Simple lang pero it reflects on our mission to heal the unity. So as your president, gusto ko sabihin sa inyo ang ating mission. Our mission is to provide an affordable health services na accessible sa bawat pamilya sa Barangay Tansa. Walang may iwan, promise yan. So, our mission is maging Barangay Tansa na health at strong, where everyone can drive without worrying about sakit or big hospital bills. Imagine no more long trips to the city just for a check-up. And for our objectives, short term, we aim to offer a free consultation with the first year and partner with the local pharmacies for the discounts. Long term, we want to build a small clinic here mismo sa barangay by the end of the year, which is this year 2025, para mas madali ang buhay natin lahat. So, ano nga ba talaga ang services na inaalok namin? We offer discounted medicine, regular health check-ups like blood pressure, diabetic screening at basic vaccination. Lahat affordable. Target natin ang families dito sa Tansa, lalo na yung mga seniors, working parents at mga bata na madalas nagkakasakit. So instead of spending thousands sa city hospitals, we keep it local and cheap. Mas maraming oras kayo sa pamilya, mas kaunti ang stress at mas malakas ang community natin. Remember that time na walang gamot? Hindi na mangyayari yun with us. So, as a leader, mga kababayan, this is our chance to build something great together. I invited you, yes, kayo mismo, lahat ng taga-Tansa, to join the Tansa Health Cooperative. Mag-sign up na, mag-volunteer or even mag-partner with us. Support natin ng isa't isa para mas maging healthy at unity ang ating barangay. So as your president, I promise we're in this for you, for our future. So salamat po, see you soon, magsama-sama tayong lahat.